So this is a turtle stance exercise, and we're starting in praying mantis stance like this. Breathe in, and then forward onto all fours like this, and then you breathe out, arching your back. Breathe in as you straighten, and then breathe out, hollowing the back, so you push your abdomen down. Breathe in, and then breathe out as you're coming back to your start position. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, and out. So with the extension, when we're arching the back, this time we tuck the head in, and then when we hollow the back, look up like this. So we're getting a really good movement on the spine there, both directions, including the neck and the head as well. Okay, here we go. Arch the back, tuck your head in, and then straightening the back, and then hollowing the back, look up, straighten, and then back to the start position. Once again, tuck the head in, and then look up, keep your teeth together, straighten the back, and then back to the start position.